Have you ever had a dream where you suddenly discover that you were completely naked in the public in the dream? Or maybe in the market, you just saw yourself being naked, or you just saw yourself naked openly in the dream. You tried to cover yourself, but everyone had already seen you. Then you woke up very confused and embarrassed. See, never ignore this kind of dream because it can carry very deep spiritual message. So today, I will reveal 9 things that seeing yourself naked in the dream can mean. So stay with me through the end of this dream interpretation. Seeing yourself naked in the dream is one of the most common dreams everybody is having. In many places, a lot of people have called me and said, "Man of God, I saw myself naked in my compound. I saw myself naked in the school. I saw myself naked in the market." See, we are going to look into this respectively, and you will know what this means. Seeing yourself naked in the dream, number one, it means loss of spiritual coverage. Seeing yourself naked can be a sign that your spiritual covering has been weakened, making you very vulnerable in the realm of the spirit, making the presence of God departing from you. So when you see yourself naked in the realm of the spirit, like I said, number one, it means that your spiritual coverage is terminated. Then number two, it means shame and embarrassment. It can be a warning that the enemy is planning to bring a very big disgrace, humiliation, or a situation that would damage your reputation. Is on the way coming. Number three is exposure of secrets. Maybe there's a particular secret that you told someone. Once you have this kind of dream, it may symbolize, I repeat, it may symbolize that this person have already shared that secret with someone. So this dream can indicate that hidden or private part of your lives, or something that is very confidential to you that you have been keeping secretly will soon expose. Number four, financial loss. It can mean financial loss. So nakedness can represent loss. It may point to financial setback, business losses, or even unexpected expenses that can leave you struggling forever. There are a lot of people, once money come into their hands, you see them after having this dream, sickness will just come and take away that money. And when they will realize themselves is when they have already borrowed. There are many people, you are watching this video, you are listening to me. When you are handicapped, when you are facing financial crisis, the time your eyes will open is when you have borrowed from somebody. And you may say, okay, let me borrow from this person. This is going to be the end. It's a lie. You will continue borrowing. Sometimes you borrow even to settle the ones you have borrowed, and yet you keep running into debt. Number five is spiritual attack against your glory. So your glory represents your honor. Your glory represents your favor. Your glory represents your beauty in the realm of the spirit. So if you see yourself naked, it can be an indication that the enemy is fighting against your glory. Number six is delay and stagnation. So this dream can be connected with repeated delays in marriage, repeated delays in your career, in your business, or even in other important areas of your life, even fruit of the womb. You know, as you are naked in the realm of the spirit, it means situations that will make you be disgraced or ashamed of yourself is going to happen to you. So that is number six. Number seven is household wickedness. Sometimes this dream can be a point to attack you from familiar spirits. Most times when familiar spirits are very close to you, you will be seeing yourself in these situations. Or maybe someone in the family is fighting against you. You will be seeing this kind of dream. It will always bring shame and frustration to you. So number 8 is loss of favor. Doors that once opened easily for you just suddenly close. People who have been supporting you, helping you, suddenly withdraws themselves without explaining anything to you, without even knowing the cause. Sometimes when you ask them, why are you not coming again? They can't give you tangible reasons. So if you're having this kind of dreams, you may be having loss of favor. Number 9, which is the last one, is loss of glory. Loss of glory. See, the Bible tells us in Genesis, if you read in the book of Genesis, you discover that Adam and Eve sinned against God. So they realized that they were naked. Their nakedness became a symbol of lost glory and separation from God. When you lost your glory, you automatically separated from your Creator. So that is why every recurring dream of nakedness should be taken very, very seriousness. Very, very serious. You don't need to play about it. So if you frequently experience this dream or any similar dream like this, please do not ignore it. You can contact me to help you to uncover and break the spiritual codes surrounding the dream. So if this particular dream blessed you, if this dream blesses you, please hit the follow button. If you're watching from YouTube, please press the subscribe button so that you can see more teachings on dreams and spiritual discernment, even sometimes biblical mysteries. So share this video with your family and friends because someone may need it. May God bless you in the mighty name of Jesus. The number you're seeing on your screen is my number. Contact me on that one that ends with 09, and you will see what happens when power jam power. God bless you.